What's up, Tech Nation? I just want to sit down and talk with you a little bit about what happened to me. A lot of you know that I've had a stroke. Just want to give you an update that I can raise my hand up to my ear, but my right arm doesn't work. I can move my fingers too. So it's coming back. But in the meantime, the technology news carries on. So let's talk about a few things. There's a new app out that my wife has gone crazy about. We put it on our phones and we're using it. It's called Hitch. So you want to get it, Hytch. Now I told you about MoviePass. You guys didn't listen to me, and MoviePass is dying. You want to listen to me about this one. Get on it now, because it's still in beta format. All right? What you do is Hitch is about carpooling. You get paid money to carpool. So if you're with your wife, you can send her a text message and hitch your phone to hers, and every mile you drive, you make money. You make money. It may be like a penny a mile. I think it is a penny a mile, but you make money. So I want you guys to get on Hitch right now. I think it's nationwide. We've been on it for a while. We already have like 50 cents. I think we started 2 days ago. So get it, Hitch. Try the app out. Let me know if you've been using it. I'm going to have more information for you on Ebates. That's another free money app. And in the meantime, I've been resting. I've been doing good. And I thank you guys for your prayers and everything. Go get Hitch right now. Listen to me when I say everybody loves free money.